there, Cougars. Welcome back to Harbinger Weekly. I'm your host, Stephanie McClaskey. Thanks for tuning in. The staff here at Harbinger Student Media would like to congratulate our viewers on surviving midterms. You're halfway there. Finish strong, Cougars. This week on our Self-Care Tips and Tools podcast, we get back to our Tips and Tools tour and headed out to Mended Heart's Riding and Counseling Center in Metamora, Illinois, to learn more about animal-assisted therapy. Be sure to check out our website at iccharbinger.com to learn more about that experience. Now let's go to Al Cuizon for campus news.
Thank you, Stephanie. Orange, Yellow, and Illinois history were all the themes of the Student Association for the Environment's trip to Starved Rock on Sunday. ICC's Safe Club is headed by students interested in saving and preserving the environment and history that lies within nature in Illinois. Picking up garbage and educating each other on the history of natural aspects and the history of Starved Rock being the goals of SAFE that are also planned to carry on throughout the rest of the academic year. If you are interested in learning more about Starved Rock, SAFE, and the basis of learning and helping the natural aspects of our environment, go to iccharbinger.com. Now to Brennan Tuma with further news.
Thank you, Al. Last week, the Campus Activity Board hosted a frightful night with the showing of The Nun, Wednesday, October 12th, to promote the Halloween spirit here on campus. Our reporter, Inea Parker, attended this event and got an insider look at how this was made possible and how you can be a part of the next terrifying event. To learn more about this spooky article, you can find it on our website, iccharbinger.com, in the News tab. And now to Patrick Rowling with sports.
Thank you, Brennan. ICC women's volleyball played Wren Lake Saturday, October 15th. It was their 6th matchup. The Cougars came away with a 6th victory over the Warriors. With this victory, the ICC volleyball team now has a 27-10 record and 6 straight wins. The next game for the Cougars is on Wednesday, October 19th against Lincoln Land Loggers. Now back to Stephanie McClaskey.
Thanks for that sports update, Patrick. Well, that about wraps it up for this week's episode. Be sure to check out our other content available at iccharbinger.com. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button below so you can stay up to date with all things Harbinger Weekly. Also, feel free to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and SoundCloud to stay updated on all of our content. As always, if you like something we shared in today's episode or have any suggestions, leave us a comment below. We love to hear from our viewers. Again, I'm Stephanie McClaskey. Thanks for tuning in. Until next week, go Cougars.